Good morning everybody. This sum is totally different from the sums given in my previous videos. Now see how will you solve this sum. First of all, know the method. If the sum is given in the form of a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x dx, then we write as a sin x plus b cos x is equal to a c sin x plus d cos x plus b differential coefficient of c sin x plus d cos x. Means numerator will be equal to a into denominator plus b into differential coefficient of denominator. This is the method to solve such type of sums. Therefore, write sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to a into 2 sin x plus cos x plus b into 2 sin x plus cos x. Differential coefficient of 2 sin x plus cos x. Now write as 2a sin x plus a cos x plus b 2b cos x minus b sin x. Differential coefficient of 2 sin x is equal to 2b cos x, 2 sin x is equal to 2 cos x, and differential coefficient of cos x is equal to sin x minus sin x. Now write as 2a sin x minus b sin x plus a cos x plus 2b cos x is equal to, take sin x common, sin x 2a minus b plus cos x a plus 2b. Now equate. See here, sin x, coefficient of sin x is 1. Here coefficient of sin x is 2a minus b. Therefore, 2a minus b is equal to 1, or right, 2a is equal to 1 plus b. From here, a plus 2b is equal to 2. Now write as, put the value. From here, a is equal to 2 minus 2b. Now write 2 minus 2b here, or 2 into 2 minus 2b is equal to 1 plus b, or 4 minus 4b is equal to 1 plus b. Therefore, b is equal to 3/5 and a is equal to 2 minus 2 into 3/5, that is 10 minus 6/5, that is 4/5. रोको था, दिखा दियो. Therefore, I is equal to, for this, write as integration a into 2 sin x plus cos x plus b into 2 cos x minus sin x dx by 2 sin x plus cos x. Now write individually. For a, write 4/5 here, and here write 2 sin x plus cos x by 2 sin x plus cos x dx. And for b, write 3/5. Two cos x minus sin x by 2 sin x plus cos x dx. Here will be 4/5 integration dx, that is x, and here will be 3/5, and differential coefficient of this is equal to this. So here will be log two sin x plus cos x plus c, because if you write it, if you put for this t, then 2 cos x minus sin x dx will be dt. Then here will be 1 by t dt, that is log t. Log t means log 2 sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the final answer.